Hello everyone. Let's discuss product hunting criteria. The first one we have here is the selling price of the product. If you choose a product of a very low selling price, then it would be difficult for you to generate profit and ROI, return on investment, quickly. So here I have listed the recommended price range, $10 to $35 for the US market and £13 to £20 for the UK market. However, this is not a hard rule. If you are considering a product of $9, it would serve the purpose, but don't go for $5 or $6 products. Let's move on to the second and third point. Weight and volume. These are the two main aspects in determining the value of the product. If you have a heavy product, then your shipping and storage charges would be much higher, hence profit margin would be less. So always choose light products. The recommended weight is less than 1 pound. Again, this is not a hard rule. A few ounces above a pound is also considerable. However, volume is more important than weight. So always go for small volume products which can be packed inside a small box. Amazon FBA fee of products with more than 1 pound is based on unit weight or the dimensional weight, whichever is greater. So, what is dimensional weight? The dimensional weight is equal to the unit volume, length times width times height, divided by 139. Let me show you an example here. Here we have two products. First's 1 unit weight is 3 pounds and the dimensional is about 1 pound, so its fulfillment fee is based on unit weight. Now look at the second product. Here the dimensional weight, 12 pounds, is more than its unit weight. So in this case, the Amazon fee is based on dimensional weight. So I think now the importance of weight and volume is clear.